Pakistan has huge debts to pay off. If IM refuses to give us loan, we will default like Sri Lanka. Wake up, youth. Join Pak-Economic Recovery Plan of USA. Join MBA at University of South Asia. We will train you to be a business leader. You will learn to lead a team of professionals, working on international projects. Every course you study will have an impact on your practical life. Together we will earn foreign reserves and make Pakistan financially strong. USA will guarantee you a job. At the time of admission, you will get your appointment letter with rupees 150,000 start salary. Come as a student, leave as a professional. Innovative scholarship program covering 90% tuition fee is available.